Hello guys. The first app that I chose is Google Applied Digital Skills. Before I start everything, I would just like to say, coming from the almost third world country, the technology is not the best in back home. So when I came in 2019 in the States, I had to kind of learn everything, and I'm still catching up with all these improvements of the technology. I found out about this website, the Applied Digital Skills, and I found it would be great for my computer skills. I teach business classes, and one of them is the computer applications. I do use a book that is provided by the school, but I feel like there is some of the content on this website that can be very beneficial for my students. I also teach in high school, but here on the left side, once you go to the Applied Digital Skills, you can choose the level that you need to. Here are the lessons. Like here it says browse lessons, and then you can choose what you want to do. And then if we click on the high school, then we can see many different assignments, and then the time they need to work on it. As I said, this website is great for it would be great for my computer apps students, as I think in today's world it is very important how we represent yourself, and that the students need to be comfortable using technology and being comfortable expressing and presenting yourself in a good way. So that's it about this. I think the Make Promotional Flyer is a great tool, and I think I will be using that in my classes. I did scroll on some of the other lessons that I see, and I have found some that I could use in my classroom, and that would do great. My audience is of course my students, as I like to focus on them. Also, as I can on the left side, since I am catching up with the technology, there is an adult learner, so I can use this as well. That's about it for this one. Thank you.